LillyWorks protected flow manufacturing software helps you implement the three principles of the dynamic production method in what we call the execution phase, typically within about 60 days. The goal of the execution phase is to publish real-time priorities of all jobs that need to be worked on in any department, work center, machine, or even by team or person. Very simply, this view answers, what job should I be working on right now for any and all shop personnel? Further refinement of the view answers, what job should I start / is ready to start at any department? Do I have the material to begin work? Whether raw materials or production materials or sub-assemblies are coming from other work centers. Need to know where the job is and how it's tracking? No problem. Quickly drill down and see the complete current status of any job and how much more work relative to how much time is left before the due date. This is also how priorities are set. Whichever job, regardless of its due date, is most in danger of being late, meaning how much work is left versus how much time production, that's the highest priority job in any given work center. The risk factor of becoming a late job or threat level is also shown on the production heat map. The purpose of this map is to show how all jobs are tracking on their journey to on-time delivery. See you in the next video.